Need to replace the hose and regulator on your Blackstone 2177? Today we're swapping it for a brand new one. We'll walk it in clean technical diagrams to see the repair from angles that are hard to catch on camera. It's an easy job, about 15 minutes with one wrench and some soapy water for the leak test at the end. Let's get into it. Step 1. Disconnect the old one. But first, all 4 knobs off, tank valve closed, and everything cool. Then we can work. Spin the coupling nut off the tank valve. It's hand tight, so no wrench there. Then follow the hose to the other end and back the fitting off the gas rail with your wrench. The old hose comes away in one piece. Step 2. Connect the new one. Hose end first. Thread it onto the gas rail fitting and snug it with the wrench. Then the tank side. And this is the part people get wrong. Hold the regulator in a straight line with the tank valve, center the nipple in the outlet, and spin the coupling nut on by hand. Hand tight only, never a tool. If it fights you, back it off and start again straight. Forcing a crooked thread is how propane leaks happen. Step 3. The leak test, straight from the manual, and you don't skip it. Mix about 1 part dish soap to 9 parts water. Knobs off, then open the tank all the way. Brush the solution onto every joint, the tank valve, the regulator, and the gas rail fitting. Growing bubbles mean a leak. Close the tank, retighten, and test again. And if you hear a rushing sound at any point, shut the valve immediately. No smoking, no open flames, outdoors only. Before you call it done, run the checks. Every joint brushes clean, no growing bubbles anywhere. Light all 4 burners. Each should catch fast and burn a vibrant blue from high to low, with no more starting strong and fading out. Make sure the hose is routed clear of the hot body, nothing pinched or resting on metal. And plan on giving those fittings a snug check once a year. The manual actually calls for it. Pass all 4, and this repair is finished. That's it. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.